Soacha and La Ceja, two municipalities growing in the shadow of Bogota and Medellin, facing an urgent challenge: how to grow without suffocating nature. Through this dialogue, we co-created a practical guide to integrate nature-based solutions into urban planning, designed for decision makers, technical teams, and communities alike. The result is an experiential, comparative document that shows how the partnership between municipalities and communities paves the way for urban solutions built from and for nature. A living guide for other expanding cities to put into practice. Because designing sustainable cities starts with listening to the landscape, this guide doesn't just propose ideas, it brings them to life.